We made $1,190 in last 48 hours. And in this video, I'm going to share step by step how we do it on day-to-day basis, how any beginner can do it without experience, without technical knowledge, without a website, without hosting server, without a mailing list, and without social following. Sounds good? Not only that, I will also share how someone made $365,000 from 10 minutes of work using a free software. You're going to get that software free in the link in the description. And how you can do it too. And I will also share a pretty wrong way of making money or trying to make money that a lot of pro YouTubers are teaching students. I wouldn't say they're teaching bad, but I would say you should not really take that path. So I'm going to show that too in this video, so stay tuned. You can make money from anywhere in the world and you can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, and cryptocurrency if you want. Sounds good? Awesome. Let's begin. So if you look at this screenshot, we made $1,190, which is good and everybody will look at the number. But I would say you should look at this number, which is called hops. What is hops? Hops are the real people who watched our videos. They loved our videos, and when we asked them to click our affiliate links, they clicked, they loved the offer, and they made purchase. Super simple as that. Mosh, you're talking about videos, but I don't like videos. I don't like cameras. I don't want to spend my time or waste my time on videos. Is that what you're saying? That's why we built our software Epic. In our other 20 plus channels, we use Epic and make simple information videos. 1 minute long, maximum 3 minutes of work. So what we do is we use Epic, and Epic writes the scripts for us using artificial intelligence. Then Epic turns that script into natural sounding voiceover. And Epic allows us to make videos using image, links, and text. Super simple. We don't use cameras, we don't use microphones or voice recording, and we don't write scripts. Well, for this channel particularly, we want to connect personally with my customers, and that's why I shoot using my camera. But for other 20 plus channels, the main money making channels, we don't use any of those. We just use Epic. Epic is free. Link is in the description, go grab it. Before we begin, the goal of this channel is to help 100 million people learn how to make money online in the next 10 years. And we can no way do it without your help. All we need from you is a hit in the like button and share this video with your friends and family. This way you help others learn how to make money online and you help us reach more and more people. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most premium viewer when we will upload our next money making video. So go ahead, do all these things, and let's move forward. Now let me show you another way to make money. You see a text box somewhere at the bottom of this video? As I'm speaking, text is being typed. Am I right? Well, nobody is typing. I'm not typing. Text is being automatically generated by an artificial intelligence transcription software. That software is coming to you. Link is in the description. Now, how do you make money from this? If you go to Fiverr and search with the keyword transcript, you'll find 7,014 people offering this service. A lot of people need this service. Podcasters, video creators, music, animation, movie industries. Now, this gig alone made over $365,000. Actually, she made much more than this and got 7,301 5-star rating, which is very important. So considering only 20% people came back, left a rating, and considering the average price of this gig is $10, the total earning is $365,050. Now, if you make this much money in 1 year, you still make $1,000 a day, basically working no work. You use the software that is we are using in this video at the bottom of this video. And you can get this software for free, link is in the description. If you make this money in 2 years, you still make $500 a day. If you make this money in 10 years, you still make $100 a day. So you are the one winner here. Grab the software from the description, it's free. Go to Fiverr and start your own transcription service. The software works for you, you don't work. Now I was talking about a video from a famous YouTuber. You see this channel here. She really made a nice video and I admire her. She basically said, make money by playing word puzzle on your phone. And she showed step by step how she's signing up, playing and making money. Now my problem is, number one, when you are playing games with your phone, the game that you don't want to play, you're simply wasting time. Instead, this is my recommendation. Use your time to learn stuff about website traffic. Then put this information, the information that you learned, on Epic. and make simple 1-minute short videos. Look at the short videos. The first video got 26,000 views. The second one got 5.7 thousand views. Another one 2.4 thousand views. Another one 2.1 thousand views. All these views are these hops, and these hops are generating money. So when you make short videos, YouTube will push your videos in the shorts feed. They will send you more and more viewers because YouTube Shorts is a new feature on YouTube, and YouTube is competing with TikTok and Instagram. So they are helping shorts videos and shorts video creators by sending more and more customers. Take advantage of this situation. Make short videos using Epic. Free Epic link is in the description. Go grab it. Learn new stuff. Make videos about them. Publish them and make money. You can actually make videos about transcription, voice to text, the mistakes, the errors, best practices, and attract customers to your Fiverr gig by putting your Fiverr gig link in your video description and in the first comment. And make sure in your video you ask your viewers to click on your Fiverr link in the description and in the first comment. From there, you will find a lot of customers. Then when Fiverr will see that you have a lot of customers, there are lots of orders and a lot of engagements going on in your gig, they will send you more and more customers. And Google will take notice. Even Google will send you more customers. How cool is that? Awesome. Now when you make a lot of videos, you bundle them together and go to a website called Udemy. Udemy has over 100 million customers built, and a lot of customers come from Google every single day. You can literally sell anything on Udemy. Just bundle your videos together. Let's say while selling your service on Fiverr, you learned about Fiverr, so you make videos about how to use Fiverr. Take this Udemy course. They have sold their $13.99 course to 26,000 students. As you can see from these 26,000 students, they made $371,182. It's very easy to know which videos they made. Go down below and go to the course content section and expand all sections. All the videos, their sizes, their topics will be open in front of you. Now you know what customers are buying, at which price, who is selling, what they're doing, and everything else. Now take your time and make videos about these topics using Epic. First of all, publish these videos and the preview of the videos on YouTube, then bundle them together and sell them as a bundle of video on Udemy. And they're called course here, by the way. So you'll be selling your course. In your videos, take the link of your course and tell your viewers that I have a complete course on Udemy. Go grab that course. First of all, your viewers will love you for the content, and then when you will ask them to buy your course, they will buy and you will make money. Similarly, when Udemy see a lot of sales coming in, a lot of customers and students coming in, they will send you more and more customers, and Google will send you more customers as well. So that is it. All starts from the Epic, and my other softwares links are in the description. We just made a money-making Amazon product review using our artificial intelligence software Epic. First, I will show you the product review that we made, and then I will show you how we made it step by step. So let's begin.
Your brand new iPhone can break if it drops from your hand. We read an article on CNET.com that a drop from hip height can break the back.
Now I'm going to fast forward and quickly show you how we made the whole product review in just a couple of minutes. We basically copied, pasted texts whenever we needed. Whenever we need the image, we simply copy the image URL, paste it right here, hit enter, and immediately the image is on the canvas. How cool is that? Pan it, rotate it, make it smaller, bigger, do whatever you want. You want to add some text to describe something? Copy from anywhere, go to the text section of Epic and just paste it. Then simply click the add text button and the text is here, and you can do all kind of formatting, rotating, panning, zooming as you want, change font if you want, change color to meet your taste. To add a voiceover, go to the audio section, text to audio section, click the add button, give it a title, choose type of voiceover and the voice artist of your choice, add the script, edit it if you want, add, delete, do whatever you want. Whenever you are happy, click the submit button and your voiceover is ready. So awesome. Go to the text audio section, click add, and the voiceover is added to the clip. And formatted the text. Whenever we need image, simply copy the URL of the image, go to the image section, paste it, and the image is added. Then we take screenshots. This is a free screenshot grabbing software we use, which is basically a Google Chrome extension. And here is the customer testimonial section. We just added customer testimonials because it has such an awesome feedback from the customers. We customize the text whenever we need, however we want it, just to match our taste, to make it as nice, as professional as possible. Basic editor, but very powerful. It has everything you need. Now, when we want to add a voiceover, we just need to grab a text from anywhere, add the text, and turn it into a natural voiceover. To make it natural and real voiceover, sometimes we add, sometimes we edit, and sometimes we use our AI, built-in artificial intelligence, to modify the text, and then take that text, put it in the text to voice section, and turn it into a voiceover. There are total 6 sections, and it took total 10 to 15 minutes of your time to make a money-making, persuasive product review. And whenever you are done, simply click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online. Easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. But our goal of this channel is to help 100 million people learn how to make money online just like you in next 10 years. And the only way we can do it is with your help. We need your like and a share. So hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and everyone you know who need to learn how to make money online. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and paying clients. And if you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most premium user when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.